In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance account using the mobile app in 2025. Let's dive right into it, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be all set to use Binance with ease. To begin, you'll need to download the Binance app. Make sure you have your mobile device handy and head over to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device type. Once there, simply type Binance into the search bar to locate the app. Hit the download button and wait for the installation to complete. Having the app installed on your phone will give you access to your Binance account anytime, anywhere, which is incredibly convenient. With the app successfully installed, open it and you'll see the option to either sign up or log in. Since we're setting up a new account, you'll want to tap on the sign up, login button to start the registration process. Next, look for the option that says create a Binance account. Tap on this and you'll be prompted to enter your details. You can sign up using either an email address or a phone number, whichever you prefer. Remember, creating a strong password is important for security purposes, so make sure to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and tap Next. Now, Binance will send a verification code to the email address or phone number you provided. This is an additional security step to ensure that it's really you setting up the account. Keep an eye on your inbox or messages, retrieve the code, and enter it into the app when prompted. This step is crucial as the account will not be verified without it. After successfully entering your verification code, you might be asked to complete identity verification. This is a standard procedure on most cryptocurrency platforms. Be prepared to upload a government-issued ID like a passport or a driver's license, and if asked, take a selfie for cross-verification. This might seem like a hassle, but it helps to protect your account and comply with regulatory requirements. Voila! Once you've completed these steps, you're all set and ready to start using Binance. With your account fully set up, you can now explore a wide range of features, from buying and selling digital currencies to exploring various trading options. Remember to keep your login details secure and enjoy your new journey in the crypto world. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Happy trading!